Today I'll do one quick crochet project. It is a lace or crochet edging or border. For that you need pearls. You may use beads and crochet thread, 1 mm steel crochet hook. Step 1. Add your pearls or beads into the crochet thread. Step 2. You have to attach your crochet thread to the fabric and on this edge or on this border you have to make chain 2 single crochet. Chain 2. After this, now turn your work and pull the thread and make one Solomon knot. If you don't know how to make Solomon knot, you can refer my video. Like this. Now go to the third chain 2 space and make one single crochet. Again start pulling the thread and make one more Solomon knot. After making second Solomon knot, wrap around and make one double crochet or elongated double crochet into this third chain 2 space. Skip 2 chain 2 spaces and go to the third chain 2 space and make one elongated double crochet. Just pull it and make the double crochet like this. Now make chain 3. Now go to this double crochet and make 6 double crochet around this double crochet. After making 6 double crochet, make chain 4. After making chain 4, skip 3 pearls or beads and make, just lock it like this and make again chain 4. Now turn your work and go to this first double crochet or chain 3. You have to make one single crochet on the top of it and just lock it like this. Now turn your work and start making 5 single crochet around this chain 4. After making 5 single crochet, just make one chain and go behind this and again start making single crochet around this chain 4 space. Make 5 single crochet around it. Like this. Now you have made last single crochet over this, and after this step start pulling it and make one Solomon knot and skip 2 chain 2 spaces, go to the third space and make one single crochet like this. Again start pulling and make one more Solomon knot like this and wrap around. You have to make one double crochet into this third chain 2 space like this, and you have to now repeat the same step for making this beautiful crochet edging.